And on the left you have Sasha, our Wooly. And on the right is Xena. Sasha is from Loki and Clover. And Xena is from Loki and Ginger. They're half sisters. Well, you know it. Once they start filming, they stop playing. They both just had baths. And right here's the old man, bingo. And way over there, let me see. Right there's Daisy. She's a new diaper on her. She's in heat. And we're going to skip her this one heat. And they are playing again. Yeah. These spider balls, at least that's what I call them, they're great because it's a ball in the center and you got like 4 or 5 ropes extending out of them. That's Sasha. She always tries to bully her way towards toys.